Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming access. Log in, verify two-factor authentication, and make sure you can unlock advanced options. Once logged in, go straight to the settings panel via the gear icon or profile menu. Don't wander through menus. Make a quick backup or export of current preferences so you can revert if needed. This saves time later and prevents accidental loss. Now that you have access and a backup, proceed to identify the specific settings group you need to change. You now work through the detailed controls. First, open the relevant category, privacy, notifications, account, or security, and read the short descriptions to find the exact option. Change one control at a time. Toggle, select from a drop-down, or move a slider. This makes it easier to test impact. Once changed, use any preview or test functions and watch for dependent options that enable or disable elsewhere. Make sure sync and permission settings reflect your change, so behave. When you finish, always save or apply changes and wait for confirmation that the update succeeded. Then verify the result by performing a quick real-world test, send a notification, sign out and back in, or check a synced device to confirm behavior. If something goes wrong, revert using the backup you made, clear cache or restart the app, and check logs or error messages. If that doesn't resolve it, contact support with steps you took and any error details so they can fix the issue faster.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.